Okay, hi everybody. I'm going to show you how to empty a baby pool fairly easy, and takes a little while, but it's pretty efficient. And I run the hose over to my tomato plants, and I'll show you that as well. So the tomato plants are just starting to grow with the tomatoes, and it works really well. I do this every second day, believe it or not, and I only have 2 ducks, and you can see how dirty the water is. So I took the stones out and I rinsed them off. I didn't scrub them because I did that 2 days ago. A little bit of green on there, but not much. And there's my ramp and the pool. You can see that the level is going down. And I'll show you what the tomato plants look like. Here's the tomato plants, and here's the hose here. And it just waters. I only have 3 plants, not a big vegetation area. Let's see. So this is the larger Walmart pool, and about 7-8 minutes in, you can see it's halfway down. We have a bigger pump with the 2-inch hose, but it didn't work out because we didn't have a long enough hose to get to our trees in our garden, so we chose to use this simpler pump. And like I said, it's a 50-foot garden hose, so it takes a while. About 15 minutes, I guess, to drain it down. I drain it all the way down. There's very little water in it. Just a basic impeller type pump. So this is literally how empty I get the pool. And disconnected the pump with my electrical cord. I'm going to go wrap everything up and rinse the pool out, put the stones back in, and fill it with water. So now the ducks, my little pain in the butts there, are looking to get in the pond after it's been cleaned. Unfortunately, it was an all-day affair because I had to weed whack all these stones that I put down. There's their pen, and there's their coop there. I use that shed with straw on it. And I'm going to go takes a little video of the pump. So here it is. It's a Flowtech. I don't know where we got it. What does it say? Flowtech. Flowtechwater.com. There's the phone number. Probably got it at Harbor Freight or Home Depot. That's where we usually get our stuff. Oh, there it is. So there's the info. Simple pump. Takes a hose fitting. You know, it's the bottom. That usually's got a bunch of debris from the bottom of the pool. Almost done. And that, you know, this is a double pool. I bought 2 of them, put them together so it's more rigid. Because single pool, you know, it's a molded plastic, and I think mine lasted 2 or 3 years until it starts wearing out on the bottom, but this gives a little bit more rigidity, but I still don't fill it up all the way. Well, there they are. Yeah, they're nice and happy now. They're female magpies. Thanks for watching.